So hello everybody, welcome to my new video. Today we are covering some new coin. It's called AMP, and this is probably the one of the next 100x coins. But we have some bad news for it and some bad things happening. So please subscribe to this channel. We are covering the good and bad news on this channel. Of course, on the end we are looking on the chart analysis. So stay till the end of the video. First day, as always, as we look, is that coin market cap is down by almost 4% in the last 24 hours. On the Bitcoin and Ethereum scales over here, we can see that in the last, this is just 1 or 1.5 day, started the downtrend and the dipping, and the Cardano third largest besides the USDT Tether. Cardano, the third largest cryptocurrency, right now is having the little less downtrend that these two guys, but probably will go a little further down because this what's happening cannot not impact the Cardano price. So AMP price for today, we can see that is sitting currently at a price of 0.104412 and it's down by 4%. Something weird is happening right now, and I'm not sure because we can see that the volume is increasing in the last 1 or 2 days, but we can see that the price is still trading in red from this point over here. So this is when the trend started to go down, but the volume was pretty big down here, and with this reduce of volume we could expect this, but now I think the price is picking up, and I don't know why this is happening right now. So we're gonna look on some Reddit posts and on some price prediction on the AMP. So this is one big thing for AMP, and it says AMP first governance proposal to establish an AMP community grant has passed 1 billion AMP or 41 million US dollars will be spent on the DeFi interrogation, educational content, tutorials, AMAs and sponsorships. Anything that helps support and growth of the AMP community will be fair game. So if you're not familiar with this government's proposal, it was uh, published I think like 1 week ago. It has a lot of votes, and something, this is the conclusion of it, and it has like $44 million that will be spent on education, sponsorships, integrations and everything with it, and that would probably have a huge impact on the AMP price. So maybe this red chart over here is something that would be the pickup line, and from this point on I think we can expect something great to happen. But for now on, I'm not sure what will happen. We can watch in the 1 day chart that it's hitting in the lower dip and the lower dip again, so something will happen soon, and we will look at that on the chart. So stay please till the end of the video. The second thing, this is just one guy's Reddit, and he said, I spent the majority of free time learning about crypto this year, looking for the infant token that make me rich by the time I turn 30. I'm 27. AMP is the result of his research in this year so far, and he has some great things about himself to say. He says the 1%, he's the 0.1% of population, cursed with 161 IQ and everything with that. But this is the thing that we are interested in, that with all his research, even though maybe he's joking about this, but we can see that the AMP is the result of his search, and he has the great expectings. And if he spend whole year, which is now almost 9 months, probably he has some good reasons for what he's aiming at, that AMP is the result of small token that will make him rich by the three years period from now. Another good news for AMP is that ZBPay amplify the sound of your crypto trade success. Be adding the currency to your portfolio deposits are now live for AMP. So AMP is listed on the Zebra Pay, which is a wallet, and that's always the good thing for small crypto like this, because it has, even though his volume is picking up, its volume is around 22 million, which is not so much when we compare that to all of this volume that is over here. So this small crypto with this thing happening can be something great to expect. This is just article with some price predictions on AMP, and AMP, this is the price prediction for 2021. Currently AMP holds 32nd place on CoinMarketCap. Would the market performance be enough for AMP to maintain the bullish position in 2021? Are you expected to know the results? Well, what are you waiting for? Let's go to the bottom and of it, and this AMP price prediction 2021. In the short to mind term scenario for our AMP price prediction 21, 21 AMP has to break past the resistance level of 0.086. To do this, it has to establish more support at the Fibonacci level at 0.075. If not, bears may gain the upper hand and drag AMP to their territory. Meanwhile, a long-term AMP price prediction for 2021 is bullish. Even more, it has a high possibility to reach a new all-time high this year. However, this will only happen if it breaks past the number of psychological resistance. So AMP has a lot of potential, and this drop over here in the last 24 hours and in the last 7 days, I can say, maybe last 1 day, but it started like 7 days ago. So this dropping down is probably some warming up for the all-time high in this year. So well, let's watch. So let's read what is the AMP prediction for 2022. This is bullish trend. If that bullish trend continues, AMP will reach 0.095 by the end of 2022. Moreover, the first half of 2022 is going to show fast growth up to 0.12, so it will be less than it will be more than 1 cent when the rise will slow down, but no major fall are expected. With upcoming partnership and development reaching 0.095 is quite optimistic in the price point of view, but undoubtedly feasible for the near future. MP price prediction for, let's say, 2022-2025, we can see in the next 4 years MP price could raise up to 0.35, so 35 cents. However, reaching this level could not be so difficult for AMP, as additional medium, short-term and long-term price targets could be found to purchase or sell orders. This indicates that AMP has a high possibility of reaching a new all-time high soon in the next 5 years as per prediction. So the conclusion about the AMP says AMP has a bright future ahead of in 2021, with ongoing development happening with the AMP ecosystem as well as in the overall crypto market. We may say AMP reach new heights. Even more, the bullish AMP price prediction for 2021 is 0.086. As I said above, it may even reach the all-time high if investors have decided that the AMP is a good investment in 2021, along with mainstream cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, of course. Moreover, it has a chance to reach 0.1 in the later part of this year as well. We can say this is not possible so much, but maybe in the beginning of 2022, we can expect this thing over here, and this is like the major jump from the price that is currently sitting at 0.0444. I can say, yeah, 200-300% jump in the like course of 3 to 6 months, which is excellent for one altcoin to achieve. So this is the only chart that I found on AMP, because I don't know, I'm not logged in on Binance and I couldn't find it just on Binance US. So as we can see, this is the 1 hour candle. 1 hour candle, and we can see this is that the downtrend is continuing, and this was the volume pickup that happened in the last day or two. And I'm not exactly sure what is happening right now, because the RSI is pretty low. With this low RSI and the massive volume that it has, and the price is going down, we can expect from my opinion that this here price over here, or maybe some lower than this, maybe, I don't know, this price is probably not too low to achieve. Maybe this would be the support, and something from that need to happen, because this was the support line that it hit 2 times and bounced out of it, and maybe the trend was going up, but we can see from this point on that the trend started to go down. We can say that probably price was going to go a little further down, maybe say to this point over here, and from that on, because everything that predicts AMP will go huge, we can expect the price to go to all-time high. Maybe not now, but I can say in like a month, 2 or 3, we can expect that the AMP price will go to all-time high, maybe to 1 cent, which would be the 200 or 300% of rise for AMP. So I can't put too much indicators here because the chart is so small, so it will be very confusing. But everything that I showed you right now, we can see this is the double bottom, or as they say, head and shoulders. So everything here looking good, bad because the price is going down, but I think it will pick up because all the big prices is going to pick up. So thanks again for watching this video. If you liked what you see, please leave a comment, leave a like, and subscribe to this channel, of course, so we can grow, and we will see in the next video. Bye.